Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chainlink. In my previous video, we were watching at this breakdown from this rising wedge pattern, and now you can see that the price line could not move more down and reverse bullish. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Chainlink that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardler pattern that Chainlink formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And in fact, it was completing this final leg. Therefore, I told my members that from this potential reversal zone, when it will be dropped more down and entered here, then we can expect the next price reversal. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the leg here. Then we had a nice price reversal and reached the sell target zone. Again, dropped down in the same potential reversal zone. Then we had the bigger pump. Now let me take you here on the weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line was moving inside a very long-term down channel, and now we have left the resistance of this channel but still moving here sideways, and we have two major significant key support and resistance levels. The support is at $6 and the key resistance is at $9. If we take a look at the resistance, then we can see that in the past history, back in July 2020, it was working as a resistance when we got rejected by this resistance, and we also got bounced from this key support of $6 as well. And after breaking it out, you can see this $9 flipped into a very strong support, and you can see for several weeks or months it has been working as a very strong support. Then after breaking it down, you can see that again for the past several weeks or months it is working as a resistance, this $9 level, and we have a support here at $6. Therefore, in order to continue its move to the upside, we need to break out this resistance of $9. Now if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here the price line was moving inside this rising wedge pattern, and few days back we have broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern, but we had a bullish divergence signal here, like the price line formed this low here and the next low it formed lower than the previous one. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then below the price line it formed this low here, and the next low it formed higher than the previous one. And finally the price line followed this bullish divergence signal, and after some accumulation the price line has recovered back, and you can see that now if this move will be continued, then this previous resistance, not the resistance, the support of the wedge can work as a resistance, because previously it was working as a support, and now it can again work as a resistance for the price line. And at the same time, it is also possible that it dropped here, it formed this bottom here and this bottom here, and if we will have another drop, then it can form a head and shoulder pattern, an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and in that situation this will be the neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern. That will be a very powerful price reversal sign. Now if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart back, and if we want the target for this huge breakout from this down channel, then the final target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately between $50 to $60. However, we also have a lot of resistance here as well, that is between $35 to $40. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.